Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know your Neet exam center. First, you'll need to access your official admit card. This crucial document contains all the necessary information, including your assigned examination center, its address, and the reporting time. Make sure to download it from the designated official website as soon as it's released. Carefully review all the details to avoid any last-minute confusion or stress on exam day. Once you have your admit card, take a moment to thoroughly examine its contents. Beyond your personal details like your roll number and photograph, you'll find the complete address of your examination center. This includes the building name, street, and city. Also, pay close attention to any specific instructions or guidelines provided on the card, such as reporting times or items you are not allowed to bring into the examination hall. It's rare, but sometimes there might be a discrepancy on your admit card regarding the center. If you notice any incorrect information, it's vital to contact the examination authorities without delay. Look for the official helpline numbers or email addresses on the examination website. Document all your communication, including dates, times, and names of people you speak with, to ensure a smooth resolution. On the day before your exam, consider visiting your assigned center to familiarize yourself with the route and travel time. This can significantly reduce stress on the actual exam day. Remember to pack all essential items, including your admit card, a valid photo identification, and any other permitted materials. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers to make your meal prep easier, along with other great deals. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.